Hi everyone, it's Kaswini here again. So this is my a weekly review for the Web3 cohort learning. So this is week 9, so I'll be taking you through what we learned last week at Web3Bridge Cohort 7. So last week we learned a couple of things. We learned how to interact with the blockchain using TypeScript, React, Next.js, wagmi, and ConnectKit. So previously, we were interacting with the blockchain using JavaScript, and that was a bit stressful. So this week or last week, we used TypeScript and React, and also we made use of a Swift wallet connector known as wagmi, and also we made use of ConnectKit, which enables us to get a beautiful UI to connect our wallet to the blockchain. So looking at my screen, this was what we built in class, and this enables you to connect to the blockchain using a ready-made wallet connector with a beautiful UI. So if I click on this wallet address now, you'll see this pop up. So currently you're seeing error here. So I can click here and I'll switch to Goerli network. So I'm waiting for my wallet to come up. So MetaMask normally takes some time. So let's wait for it to finish coming up, and so we can proceed from there. All right, so it's saying we should switch network. So I'm switching network now to Goerli, and that's connected. And see, we are seeing auction in progress here. So you see this beautiful UI we just used. This was given to us by the ConnectKit library, and this wallet connector was made possible by a library called wagmi. So this project was built with next.js and next.js and also TypeScript. So you see we have gone a bit further from where we were the previous week. The previous week we were just working with vanilla JavaScript and ethers.js. It's not with, I'm not saying ethers.js is not cool, but life is not supposed to be hard. So why not make use of these cool features that these other libraries are providing, and saving yourself the stress of doing a whole lot of coding and all of that. So this makes sense, and I'll be stopping here because there's no much coding to do here. So this week we'll be moving into Diamond Standard, Foundry, and all of that. So expect more coding review from me next week. So I'll be doing some coding and explanation. But the UI stuff still makes sense. So thank you. Peace out.